Okay, welcome back to building a six-figure marketing agency here in Dubai, and yesterday was a very good day. To put it into perspective, I had a meeting with a lady called Amy who runs the marketing for a beach club called Cove, which funny enough is my favorite beach club here in Dubai. She's basically gone in there and taken over their entirety of the social media, and she loves what I do, she loves the videos that I create, and she feels like I can slot into that beach club perfectly. And I woke up this morning and I was doing a little bit of research on Cove. What do they offer? What are they pushing? What are they not pushing? And then I come across their TikTok page, 413 followers with a grand total of 440 likes. So I was thinking this morning, this is probably going to be a massive opportunity for me to prove how big and how quickly I can grow a social media account, especially on TikTok. The last video they posted was 2022, a year ago today, 2 years ago today. It had 13 likes and it was how to make sushi. No one gives a shit about how you make sushi in a beach club. They want to see the vibe. They want to see who's going there, what sort of event there is, how it is. Like, what's it like in Cove? Not how you make sushi. Like, what's that all about? So basically, what I'm trying to say is I've got such a good opportunity to take over this TikTok account and grow it pretty much from scratch. It's only got 413 followers, and I reckon by the time I go home at the end of May, I can get this beach club to over 10,000 followers by just creating organic UGC content on my phone. Oh, I'm so excited. To give you guys an idea of what this means, especially for me who has just landed in Dubai, who's trying to build this six-figure marketing agency. After the meeting yesterday, she wants me to film this Saturday and Sunday, which will show how good my videos are compared to other beach clubs and compared to what they've been doing previously. So that will get me in with them in regards to social media. But I've just sent her a voice note now saying, look, I will be happy to take over your TikTok account completely free of charge for the next 50, 60 days, however long I'm here for, to prove that I can bring you more customers. And the reason why I'm happy to do it for free and not even charge for that sort of service is, number one, if I make it happen, they're gonna love me. The owner's gonna love me. The owner's not gonna ever wanna get rid of me because I've brought more business to his beach club. Number two, it's gonna basically be proof in the pudding that I can grow and create a social media account to nothing from 10,000 followers. And number three, if I'm able to grow that account from nothing to 10,000 followers within 60 days, for example, I can go to any other beach club and be like, this is what I do. Like, can you see that? Yeah, can you see that? That was me. So instead of taking money now, going, yeah, it's gonna cost you £2,000 a month to run your TikTok account and be greedy at the start, what I wanna do is I kind of wanna do it for free, have a bit of a portfolio of growing an account from A to Z, and then go out and claim the rewards later on down the line. Oh man, I'm buzzing. That is the biggest thing I've had here in Dubai in the last 3 weeks. Mental. I'm so fucking excited, man.